Is binary option better than Forex? These are some of the questions we'll be answering in today's video. Stay tuned. So what is binary option? Binary option trading hinges on a simple question. Will the underlying asset be above or below a certain price at a specified time? If so, you can make substantial profits with one of the most straightforward financial instruments to trade. But what exactly are binary options, and what are their benefits and drawbacks? Here are some important factors traders should take note of when considering binary options and Forex. With binary options, rates are more profitable as they are fixed and controlled by the broker in between trading sessions. While Forex rates, your profits are undefined and are based more on the trader's experience. Risks are more controlled and fixed with binary options as you declare the amount you are willing to risk for each trade. With Forex, risks are often unpredictable and market trends changes frequently and often can't be predicted. Most binary options brokers are able to offer you a refund for some lost trades depending on the circumstance of the matter. But in the Forex market, all trades are final and all your trades are in your hands. You are solely responsible for any of your capital lost. Risk-reward ratios are not applicable in binary options as all risks are fixed and set before your trade. While in Forex, on the other hand, it offers the limitless potential to scale and leverage your account, as long as you possess the skill set and the experience required to do so. Binary option is highly recommended for new traders, as Forex market tends to be a bit more tedious and it requires a lot more experience just to start seeing consistent profits. But don't rule it out yet. Forex is a good option if you do possess the skill set to trade it. There are no fees associated when trading binary options. But if you're a Forex trader, pay attention to those spreads and commissions your broker might be charging, as spreads and commissions normally fluctuate between trading sessions. One thing to note when considering to start binary option is that it's not yet widely available across the United States. So if you're thinking about getting started, go ahead and check out if it's available first in your state. While on Forex, on the other hand, has been around for years and greatly appreciated by many countries. Whew! Alright, so with that said guys, we can clearly see that binary options are for those traders who are looking to get in and out of the market in a quickly manner, as Forex are more for professional traders who are able to grow and scale their account based on their experience and trading skills developed in the market over a period of time. Overall, binary option has been reviewed as the most suitable trading style for beginners due to the little knowledge it requires to start earning. Well, that's it for our video guys. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button and to subscribe for future videos from Binary Bot Real Account. Until then, stay safe.